This video will demonstrate how we replace the air filter on the Craftsman R140 30-inch decked riding lawnmower, powered by a 10.5 horsepower gas Briggs and Stratton single-cylinder engine. Parts and tools needed is a new air filter, a ratchet set with a 3/8 socket, and an air compressor with blower if you're just going to clean it. As usual, all the links to these items and more will be in the description below. So to remove the rear engine cover, these two 3/8 screws need to be removed first. They're located in the rear engine cover mounting bracket here. But with the bag system in the way, this needs to be done from underneath the sides here. To remove the rear engine cover without the bag system in the way, it will look like this video clip taken from when the mower was first assembled. So after removing the two 3/8 screws, lift and slide engine cover towards the rear until the two prongs are out of the slots. Now you'll see the filter cover. Turn the two thumb screws to the left a quarter turn and pull the cover off. Pull the filter away from the intake and replace with a new one, or blow it from the inside with compressed air. Now note that the filter manufacturer does not recommend to clean them, but we don't think it's a bad idea if the filter is not damaged, and as long as it's replaced every 100 operating hours as recommended, or more often if used in extremely dusty conditions. Now we align the hole of the air filter with the intake manifold and insert it back in place. And then we attach the cover back on and turn the thumb screws clockwise until snug. Reinstall the rear engine cover by positioning it in place as previously shown. Tip the cover forward to fit it into the slots, then align the mounting holes. Thread in the two 3/8 screws previously removed and do not over tighten. Keeping in mind these screws are threading into plastic. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.